Hey peeps, I am back with another video, and this time is going to be a jewelry haul. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I don't wear a lot of jewelry in my videos. Of course I'm bare today because I'm going to be showing you jewelry, but typically I don't have a lot of jewelry on. A lot of people, especially influencers and YouTubers, like accessorize a lot, and I barely do that, and that's because I barely have anything. So yeah, that is why you don't really see me with jewelry a lot. We're gonna go ahead and get into the video, but of course I need y'all to pump the brakes, period, pool, and make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are new here, you are new peep. Yeah, I just always say peeps, and like my friends and everybody, they are my peeps, but you know, we aren't just some little chiclets. We are gangster. We are some rough riders, period. So make sure you guys subscribe if you want to be a part of the gang peeps, period. So the first place I'm going to talk about is the first package that I got from all of the orders that I did to get this new jewelry. So it's called Little Sky Stone. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the package. Boom, boom, boom. And then it just slides out. Like, I love that. And then they had a little personal kind of note. It said, "Hi Amber, we hope this rocks your day." So I really like that. It's really nice of them to put that little personal touch on there. And I think I got 2 items from them, or actually I got 1 item, and then they had like a little free item and you could choose from 2 things, and I chose the free jewelry. So that was really nice as well. They are local to Columbus, Ohio, but as you can see, because of the pandemic and everything, I ordered it online and had it shipped to my house. So they can ship it to wherever you're at, and the shipping was so fast. Now mind you, I am local to them, but in general I just think that's really fast, and like they must have shipped my order the same day that I put it in, or they shipped it like the next day on Saturday. So within 24 hours. That is really good. I can't say if that's how it always is. Maybe because of the pandemic they don't have much to do, you never know, or maybe they just are always that good about it. But I really love that and think that's something to mention. Oh, I actually did get 2 items from them. I forgot. So I ended up getting 3 items because the 3rd thing was free. But the first thing that I got is just these abstract like shape circle earrings, and I really like these. I think I could do a lot with these, just as far as spicing up like a regular outfit, just adding some color to it, or I could color block, and you know we love a good color block. Like, who doesn't love a good color block? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you, and this will be my first time trying these on. And if you see any of my lace, please don't mind it. So boom, there's one of them. Purple, come through with the color. And I'll have all the information listed on the screen, as well as everything linked down below. If you guys want to go ahead and check it out and purchase, you absolutely can. Here is the second item I got, and this is a stone that is native to my birth month. So I think it's called like Birthstone or something like that. I will make sure I put it up on the screen for you guys. So it is for November, Scorpio. So I was not even aware that this was one of my birthstones, but I think most people have like 2 birthstones, and I knew about the first one, which they do have that birthstone as well, but I just wanted to get this one because it's more like muted and can go with more things. So I got this one. Hopefully you guys can see the color pretty good. Yeah, so there is the color and how it looks. So it's really simple, and I just think that this is a good little talking point as well, since it's my birthstone. If anyone were ever to ask about it, or you know, just say anything, inquire about it, say it's cute, and I could just be like, yeah, it's my birthstone, I'm a Scorpio, born in November. So I think it's a good talking point as well. This length that you see right here is actually the farthest that it goes, so let me just loosen it up so you guys can see the length. So that's how much longer it is. So this is the free item that I got. Really simple little bracelet, and it's just something nice and simple and dainty that you can add to any outfit, and I really like it. I mean, it was free, so can't complain. The next place that I got a couple of jewelry items from is Gabriela Ceballos. I hope I'm saying that right. Ceballos, one of those two. I'm sure it probably is. But yeah, Gabriela Ceballos, New York, and this is what the packaging looks like on every single one, and then it just gives like information on the social medias and all that on the back. Also, this is more like burlap. Is that the word? Burlap? Burlap-esque as far as the material, and then the other ones that I showed you, these little sky stone, is more velvet. So the first item that we have here, I really love these. These are so like muted and chic and mature, so I'm going to try these on. I think I'm just going to try on one to make sure we don't take too long on the trying on portion of this video. Tell me how you guys feel about these. OMG, these earrings are everything. Like, period. I cannot wait to wear these and style these with an outfit. Like, it is going to be a vibe. Okay, so here is that earring, and isn't it so cute? It's literally so subtle but so different at the same time, and I absolutely love these. I think that this is definitely something that can take an outfit to a whole nother level, and it definitely gives me like granola vibes, but like just a little extra. Like, I think all of the differences and nuances in the pieces that I have picked from these like smaller jewelry places, they make it look like it's so simple, but then it's really a little extra. Look at these, y'all. Y'all see these? These are different. Like, they're giving you hoops but geometric. They're giving you hoops but not like all the other hoops. So these are definitely some earrings that people would need to see from the side. You're not going to get a gist of them from the front. So this is me head on, so you can kind of see it. And these are something that you can wear with a longer hairstyle. I mean, you're not going to see it like too much, but like from an angle you can still see it, and I think that that would work. I think that these are a nice little play on the original hoop, and it just gives you a little something extra, so then you don't have to, you know, be so predictable with a regular hoop. Ooh, so these ones are so different. These are such like boho vacation vibes. These are so like earth tone, muted, going out to brunch, going out to lunch. But yeah, this is really small to the point, and I think this is really cute. Also, once again, this is something that I would love to wear with a shorter hairstyle or an up style. It's like stony marbly shell type of material, and then we got like this bamboo-esque thing going on here, and it actually moves. So yeah, so that is everything from the Gabriela Ceballos brand that I got. I hope you guys really did enjoy. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you leave a comment down below, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are not a part of my peeps yet. Like, come on, join the gang, period, cool. Make sure you join the gang, subscribe down below, and also share this video with anybody that you know is looking into jewelry, needs jewelry. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I will see you all in the next video.